Okay, now I want to use our critical thinking skills. So let's watch Barack Obama and try to guess what is the public speaking tip that we can use when we speak in front of other people. Don't pay attention to his words. Think about his body language and his gesturing.
Tonight is a particular honor for me because, let's face it, my presence on this stage is pretty unlikely. My father was a foreign student, born and raised in a small village in Kenya. He grew up herding goats, went to school in a tin roof shack. His father, my grandfather, was a cook, a domestic servant to the British. But my grandfather had larger dreams for his son. Through hard work and perseverance, my father got a scholarship to study in a magical place, America, that shone as a beacon of freedom and opportunity to so many who had come before.
Okay, you can watch that again if you like and check out number 2 and use your critical thinking and give your best guess. What can Barack Obama teach us about using our nonverbal communication while speaking in front of people?